even those who are far from cosmic deals are sometimes amazed by news about the cosmos, the universe and our planet. Modern discoveries, time after time, prove how little we know about this sphere. We've found several mind-blowing facts that will reveal the mystery of the cosmic world. There is a planet of diamonds worth $26.9 quintillion. The researchers found out that there is a planet Janssen in the constellation of Cancer, which is 10 times heavier than Earth. The internal pressure in the core of the planet should be enough to turn the existing carbon, which makes up the planet, into a diamond. Forbes has estimated the planet at $26.9 quintillion. This is the number with 30 zeros. The temperature of the surface of Janssen is more than 2000 degrees centigrade, and the speed of rotation is so fast that 1 year of this planet is 18 Earth hours. A recent discovery also shows that one side of Janssen is melted and represents carbon lava. The average temperature in the near-Earth space is higher than in the fridge. Temperature in space depends on many factors, such as the distance from a star or space object, whether it is in shade or light, or exposure to solar flares or solar wind. Therefore, the average temperature in the near-Earth space is about 10.17 degrees centigrade, which is higher than in the fridge in your kitchen. It's snowing metal on Venus. In the early 90s, a reflective coating was found on Venus using a Magellan probe. This was originally assumed to be the result of erosion or some kind of deposit of iron-containing materials. The possible answer was found through experiments on Earth. Scientists have concluded that it could be metallic snow, which consists of bismuth sulfides and lead. When volcanoes erupt, they are released to the planet's surface in a gaseous state. In space, absolute silence. Space is the quietest place due to lack of air. That's why all explosions there are silent. An untrained person can suffer from hearing hallucinations and panic attacks in such silence. There's a place on Earth that seeks silence, a camera and Orfield lab. These rooms are used to train astronauts, conduct experiments and research. The time for astronauts is slower. The gravitational field surrounding the Earth can be strong and weak. As we move away from the Earth, the field strength decreases. A few years ago, scientists proved the presence of gravity waves in a weak gravitational field, which affect the speed of time flow. The stronger the gravitational field, the greater the deceleration. The film Quad Interstellarquid quite accurately illustrates this fact. The time for real astronauts is a fraction of a second slower than it is for people on Earth. And time practically stops near a black hole. The Milky Way has a twin. The Milky Way has a twin galaxy. It's called NGC 6744. It's noted to be larger than the Milky Way. It's 30 million light-years away from us in the southern constellation of Peacock. Once there were 60,000 jellyfishes spinning around the Earth. In 1991, NASA researchers put jellyfish in seawater bags during one of their missions, sent them into space and contributed to their breeding. Space jellyfish babies in general were very similar to terrestrial, the difference was only in motor ability. Previously, the day lasted 18 hours. It has long been known that the moon is gradually moving away from Earth. The current length of the day is precisely results from the increasing distance between our planet and the satellite. Researchers at the University of Wisconsin and Madison and Columbia University have calculated and found that about 1.5 billion years ago, the day on Earth was only 18 hours. The trend of the moon's remoteness after another 3 billion years may lead to a day's duration of 36 hours. Would you like more hours a day? What would you like to spend extra time on? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.